Welcome. In this video, we'll go through a quick and simple guide on how to enable the brand new feature on the Telegram desktop app called Respect System Focus Mode. This update is designed for anyone who wants their Telegram notifications to follow the focus settings that are already activated on their computer. If you often use Focus Assist or Do Not Disturb on your operating system, this option will make sure Telegram stays quiet whenever your system tells it to. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once the app is loaded, head to the three lines located at the top of the page. This is the menu button that gives you access to all of Telegram's key settings and features. From here, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a list of categories that control different aspects of how Telegram works. The one we want to focus on is Notifications and Sounds. Go ahead and select that option. Now you'll find many notification settings, but the one we're looking for is labeled Respect System Focus Mode. This is the new feature introduced with the latest update. By turning this on, Telegram will automatically adjust itself according to your system's focus mode. That means if your PC has Focus Assist or Do Not Disturb enabled, Telegram messages and alerts will not interrupt you until you've turned those modes off again. Simply toggle the switch to enable it and you're done. From this point on, Telegram will take its direction from whatever notification profile your operating system is following. It's a small adjustment in the settings, but it can make a huge difference by helping you stay focused during work, study sessions, or even when you just want quiet time. That's all it takes to activate the Respect System Focus Mode on the Telegram desktop app. Quick, easy, and very useful. If you're someone who values managing your time and reducing distractions, this is definitely a feature you'll want to keep turned on. So go ahead, follow these steps, and enjoy a much smoother, distraction-free Telegram experience whenever your computer's focus mode is active.